Hi there, Linda here. Today I'm sharing a very quick video to unbox my AubrielBoutique.com order of stickers washi. Basically, every once in a while I like to make a little order, usually from an Italian creator because I am here in Italy or somewhere in Europe, and just sort of discover new creators and like indie designers. So I made a little order, and here I'm going to open it up. And of course, I love this cute packaging. And here what I got was actually a little like acrylic pin that says COVID-19 vaccinated, and I just thought it was so creative. Super cute pastel colors, and I want to include that into one of my little pencil pouches where I keep lots of pins and things. So that is why I purchased that particular pin. You can see here, this is like a Hobonichi like drawer pouch, and I put like a lot of pins on it, so I'm going to add this one on there as well. I really love discovering sort of new creators, especially here in Italy, because I am located in Tuscany, Italy right now. And so I added that little pin, and I think it's so important to be vaccinated. I'm not trying to be controversial here, but you know, get vaccinated if you don't already, if you haven't been already, and not just for COVID, but for all kinds of things. So this is like super cute packaging. I'm definitely going to keep that and put that in my stationery journal for safekeeping. All of the washi tapes, they're so cute. And now I'm going to open up the rest of my order, which are some sticker sheets. And the style that she creates is very like pastel, but sort of like neutral, like light, you know, digitally drawn characters. So there are loads and loads of planner stickers, and also vinyl stickers and washi tapes. So here is her like information sheet. It's like a super cute postcard, and then informational sheet about her shop and like discounts or things for like your next order. So I will keep the website link below. It's aubrielboutique.com, and here's the COVID vaccinated thing design that I bought the sticker as well. And this here is like a little freebie with cute little panda thingies, and here is another sticker, like vinyl sticker, that I bought with a quote on it. And then I bought a couple sheets of these planner stickers, and they're pretty like traditional in terms of what you expect from planner stickers. It's like this quarter sheet size and has a bunch of motifs on them, and she's got like loads and loads in her Etsy shop, so you can definitely go check it out and see her designs. So that is my order, and just wanted to share with you. So if you didn't already know, my name is Linda, and I blog at tortagialla.com. If you visit my blog, you can see that I offer loads and loads of free printables for you to download. I love to design, and love especially to illustrate and design surface patterns, so repeating pattern papers. So if you go visit my free printables page, you will see that I have lots of pattern papers that you can download straight away, no strings attached. The zip file is available there on the blog post to download for your personal use. And there's also collage papers, vintage papers, sticker designs, things like that throughout the years. So visit tortagialla.com for more. I will include all the links down below, and subscribe if you want to see like the occasional unboxing of these cute indie designers that I purchased from, as well as all of my journaling videos to come. Thank you so much. Until next time.